So what is good guys, Adnan here, and over the years I've received countless requests to make tutorials revolving around the entire custom ROM installation process. So here it is, this is your definitive guide in installing any custom ROM on basically any Android device there is. Do note that installing a custom ROM requires you to wipe all of your apps and data, so a complete backup is recommended. While many phones can do away without wiping the internal storage off, the newer releases need a complete wipe to disable encryption as well. In any case, I recommend you make a complete Android backup using 2-up recovery. Worry not, there will be an article linked below curated to those who want to back up their apps and data prior to installing a custom ROM. The actual process of switching from an OEM based ROM to a custom one involves unlocking the bootloader, getting a custom recovery, and then installing a custom ROM. While the method for unlocking the bootloader on your device varies from manufacturer to manufacturer, most Google or OnePlus based phones take in a simple ADB command as such. Navigate to developer options on your phone and make sure the OEM unlock option is enabled. From here, reboot into the bootloader mode after enabling the advanced restart toggle. Connect your phone to the PC and type in the following command in ADB to unlock your phone's bootloader. This will wipe away anything and everything on your phone, so be cautious. Installing a custom ROM is the same, just inject the following command via ADB while your phone is in the fast boot mode, and that's all. With all the prerequisites out of the way, let's see how you can actually flash a ROM. Firstly, choosing a compatible ROM makes sense along with the appropriate GApps package. This is pretty simple, just head over to the XDA forums page for your device, download whichever ROM fancies you the most, and you're good. For Google Apps, I recommend heading over to opengapps.net and downloading the compatible version. I always go for the Pico package since it's the most bloat free as well as the quickest to download and install. Take both of these files, transfer them to your phone's internal storage or any OTG drive for maximum assurance. Reboot your phone into the 2-up recovery by holding down the power and volume down keys simultaneously until you see the boot screen. Head over to the wipe section and simply swipe to perform a factory reset. Head back to the main menu, tap on install, locate your ROM file, tap on it, and finally swipe to confirm the flash. This may take a good second, so don't panic. Once done, repeat the same for your GApps and you're good. In my case, the ROM file I've used already comes baked in with Google Apps, so I'm just gonna skip this part. Anyways, once all is done, head back, tap on reboot, and then reboot to system. The first boot might take several minutes and your phone might even reboot a few times. After a while, you should see your phone greeting you with the fresh custom ROM you've just installed. I'll be leaving a detailed step-by-step guide down below too, and I recommend reading that as well. That's been it, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.